Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Nivie Tanning Drops. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a drop that will help you tan your skin. So this is basically geared or targeted towards women. So as you can see right here, there's what their website looks like. They didn't actually do a good job of making their website since they do not actually put any effort in making this website. So as you can see, the reviews right here are all easily faked. So as you can see, they're rated 1.5 out of 5 stars here in Trustpilot, which is bad. So as you can see, this person said, if I could get 0, I would. Awful, do not buy, fake and a scam. 0 stars, the actual worst. Long story short, a scam. Total scam, not a sign of a glow, let alone a tan. Really bad product. Never received my order. 1 star because you can't give 0, and a lot more. So please guys, do not fall for this scam. They're very obviously a scam. They have no evidence of actually tanning your skin. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.